Today, I'm going to talk about mechanical keyboards. And wait, this is not a sponsored video, so if you're planning to buy a new mechanical keyboard, make sure you watch this video until the end. Because I've covered almost everything you need to know before buying one, including switch type, typing feel, gaming performance, build quality, software, and of course, the price. So in this video, I'll help you figure out which mechanical keyboard gives you the best balance of performance, comfort, features, and value. And trust me, your next few minutes won't be wasted. Starting off our list at number 5 is the ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296. If you want a premium mechanical keyboard that can handle gaming, work, and everyday use without taking up your entire desk, the ROG Strix Scope 296 is an excellent choice. It gives you almost all the keys of a full-size keyboard, including the number pad, but in a much more compact 96% layout, leaving extra room for mouse movement during gaming. For gaming, it delivers a fast and responsive experience thanks to ASUS ROG Speed Nova wireless technology with a 1000 Hz polling rate, providing low latency performance whether you're playing wirelessly or with the included USB-C cable. It also supports Bluetooth for up to 3 devices, making it easy to switch between your PC, laptop, or tablet. Typing feels just as impressive. The factory-lubed ROG NX Snow linear switches are smooth, stable, and surprisingly quiet, while the hot swappable design lets you replace the switches later without soldering if you want a different typing feel. ASUS also added multiple layers of sound dampening foam and pre-lubed stabilizers, giving the keyboard a satisfying, deep, thocky sound right out of the box. Build quality is another highlight. The sturdy metal top plate, premium PBT double-shot keycaps, detachable wrist rest, programmable multifunction wheel, per-key RGB lighting, and full N-key rollover all make it feel like a true high-end keyboard. On top of that, the battery life is outstanding, lasting up to 1,500 hours in wireless mode under the right settings. The only real downside is that the Armoury Crate software still isn't as polished or lightweight as some competing keyboard software, and the compact 96% layout may take a little time to get used to if you're coming from a traditional full-size keyboard. Priced at around $132, the ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 offers an outstanding combination of premium typing feel, wireless flexibility, excellent acoustics, long battery life, and gaming performance, making it one of the best mechanical keyboards you can buy in its price range. And for the best deals and exclusive coupon codes like Temu, Hostinger, and AliExpress, visit our website, couponoffer.net.
At number 4 is the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Gen 3. If competitive gaming is your top priority, the Apex Pro TKL Gen 3 is built to give you every possible advantage. The stem-keyless keyboard is designed for esports players who want lightning-fast response, precise control, and a compact layout that leaves plenty of room for wide mouse movements. The biggest highlight is its new OmniPoint 3.0 hypermagnetic switches. You can adjust the actuation point anywhere from 0.1mm to 4.0mm, allowing you to choose ultra-sensitive inputs for fast-paced FPS games or deeper key travel for more accurate typing. Combined with rapid trigger, rapid tap, and the exclusive protection mode, every key press feels incredibly responsive while helping reduce accidental inputs during intense matches. SteelSeries also makes setup incredibly easy. With GG Quick Set, you can instantly load optimized presets for popular competitive games without spending time adjusting settings manually. The built-in All-D Smart Display lets you change profiles, adjust keyboard settings, and even control media without leaving your game. Despite being focused on gaming performance, the typing experience is excellent as well. Triple-layer sound dampening foam, factory-looped switches, durable double-shot PBT keycaps, and an aircraft-grade aluminum frame give the keyboard a premium feel that's built to last. It also features per-key RGB lighting, full N-key rollover, and a reliable 1000 Hz polling rate for consistent responsiveness. The only downside is that the switches aren't hot swappable, so replacing them later isn't as simple as with some competing mechanical keyboards. It's also a wired-only keyboard, which may not appeal to users looking for wireless flexibility. Priced at around $173, the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Gen 3 delivers some of the fastest and most customizable gaming performance available, making it an excellent choice for serious competitive gamers. At the third spot on my list is the ASUS ROG Azoth X wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. If you're looking for a premium wireless keyboard that feels like a custom-built mechanical keyboard right out of the box, the ASUS ROG Azoth X is an easy recommendation. It combines enthusiast-level typing quality with high-end gaming performance, making it one of the most versatile keyboards available today. The first thing you'll notice is how satisfying it feels to type on. The gasket-mounted design, 5-layer sound dampening, and pre-lubed ROG NX Snow V2 linear switches create an incredibly smooth, soft, and deep, thoughtful typing experience. And because the switches are hot swappable, you can easily customize the keyboard later without any soldering. For gaming, the Azoth X is just as impressive. It supports tri-mode connectivity, including ultra-low latency 2.4 GHz ROG Speed Nova wireless, Bluetooth for up to 3 devices, and USB wired mode. With a 1000 Hz polling rate and an incredible 1,600 plus hours of battery life with RGB and the OLED display turned off, it's built for long gaming sessions without constantly reaching for a charger. Premium features continue throughout the keyboard. The 2-inch OLED display can show system information, custom animations, media controls, and keyboard settings, while the multifunction control knob makes adjusting volume and lighting quick and easy. The durable PBT translucent keycaps, aluminum top cover, south-facing PCB, per-key RGB lighting, and full N-key rollover all add to the premium experience. The only downside is that you're paying a premium for these enthusiast-level features, and if you simply want a keyboard for casual gaming, many less expensive options will still do the job well. But at around $169, the ASUS ROG Azoth X delivers premium build quality, outstanding acoustics, long battery life, and excellent gaming performance, making it one of the best wireless mechanical keyboards you can buy in 2026. At the second spot on my list is the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro. If you're looking for a keyboard that's built specifically for serious gaming and streaming, the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro is one of the most feature-packed options you can buy. From its premium construction to its advanced controls, everything about this keyboard is designed to give gamers faster access and greater control during intense sessions. The standout feature is the Razer yellow linear switches, which feel incredibly smooth and responsive, while remaining much quieter than clicky switches. Combined with an impressive 8,000 Hz polling rate, every key press is registered almost instantly, making fast-paced competitive games feel incredibly responsive. One of the biggest advantages of the BlackWidow V4 Pro is its productivity and streaming controls. The fully programmable command dial, 8 dedicated macro keys, multifunction roller, and media controls let you launch shortcuts, switch applications, adjust settings, or trigger complex commands without interrupting your gameplay. The keyboard also delivers one of the best RGB experiences available. With per-key Razer Chroma RGB, striking 3-sided underglow, and a plush magnetic wrist rest featuring built-in lighting, it creates an immersive setup that syncs with hundreds of supported games. The durable 5052 aluminum alloy frame, double-shot ABS keycaps, and full N-key rollover further reinforce its premium build quality. The only downside is that the switches aren't hot swappable, so you can't easily replace them without opening the keyboard. It's also a wired-only keyboard, which may not suit users who prefer a cleaner wireless setup. Priced at around $199, the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro is an outstanding choice for gamers who want premium build quality, ultra-fast performance, advanced macro controls, and one of the best RGB lighting systems available on any mechanical keyboard. At the top of my list is the Corsair Galleon 100 SDR GB mechanical gaming keyboard. If you want the most innovative gaming keyboard of 2026, the Corsair Galleon 100 SD
easily earns the top spot. Instead of being just another fast mechanical keyboard, it combines elite gaming performance with built-in Stream Deck functionality, giving you complete control over your games, streams, and desktop from a single device. The biggest reason it stands out is its native Elgato Stream Deck integration. You get customizable LCD shortcut keys, programmable rotary dials, and a stunning 5-inch color display built directly into the keyboard. This allows you to launch macros, control apps like OBS, Discord, Spotify, and Twitch, monitor system performance, and manage workflows without leaving your game. But it's also a serious gaming keyboard. The Corsair MLX Pulse linear switches feel smooth and responsive, while the 8000 Hz polling rate and flash tap SOCD technology provide ultra-fast input response for competitive gaming. The hot swappable design also lets you customize the switches later without replacing the keyboard. Premium build quality is another major highlight. The aluminum top plate, durable PBT double-shot keycaps, full N-key rollover, memory foam magnetic wrist rest, USB pass-through, and fully programmable per-key RGB lighting make the keyboard feel every bit like a flagship product. Plus, the lightweight Corsair Web Hub and Stream Deck software make customization surprisingly simple despite all the advanced features. The only downside is its premium price, and because of the built-in LCD display and Stream Deck controls, it takes up more desk space than most traditional keyboards. If you only need a basic gaming keyboard, there are certainly cheaper options available. But if you want one device that excels at gaming, streaming, content creation, and productivity, the Corsair Galleon 100 SD is incredibly hard to beat. Priced at around $299, it's expensive, considering it combines a premium mechanical keyboard with many of the features of a dedicated Stream Deck. It's easily my #1 pick for the best mechanical keyboard of 2026. Now, tell me in the comments, which mechanical keyboard would you choose for your setup? I'll reply to your comment. And hey, I put a lot of effort into this video to help you pick the right mechanical keyboard. So if it helped you even a little, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. It really motivates me to create more helpful content for you. All the Amazon links with the latest pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.